Ulandra, bred from a sibling to Grand Prix horse Ulandra Z. Ulandra was bred out of a half-sister of the Grand Prix show jumper Ulandra Z, ridden by James Patterson Robinson, and the 150-level performer Ulandra of Patrick Lam. Grand Dame Lieke is listed as the Grand Dame of the 150-level jumping horses Ankara Chamblanc and Edwina Imperio Gipfio as well. On top of that, Grand Dame Lieke is a sibling to the 160-level jumping horse Orville. Sire Denzel van Meulenhof was building up a legacy with outstanding offspring like Ipstar, Nixon van Meulenhof and I Denzel van Meulenhof.